Do you think there is an opportunity in Canada to push for a bit more of a political approach to appointing judges? This is something that we often hear about in the United States. In Canada, we've seen Conservatives be on the losing end of Supreme Court cases on key issues of conscience. Is that something, as a lawyer, as a leadership candidate, that you've taken an eye to?
Well, we have to do everything we can when we're in power to appoint good conservative judges. And when I say conservative, I don't mean, that they vote conservative. I mean that they use conservative principles when they're interpreting the Constitution, when they're interpreting the law. And what we see is judges that take, an activist, I want to impose, my version of, utopia or whatever it is. They don't say this, but they're very activist in terms of their approach. Whereas the conservative, small c conservative approach to judicial application is, well, what does the law say? What has the court said before? Whether I like it or not, how do we apply it? And everyone here, even the average Canadian, thinks that that's how it's done anyways. And you and I know that that's not how it works. But we need to get, people in there, originalists, as it were, to borrow language that's used down south a lot, that, interpret the laws that we have as they're written and stop trying to rewrite things for the benefit of their own political agenda. So really, conservative judges apply the law whether they like it or not. And I think that that's really unpolitical, but unfortunately not what we see typically.